Want to create this luxury car animation in PowerPoint? Let's make it. First, just go to BeGone, upload your image, and wait a few seconds. The background will be removed automatically. No login required, super convenient. Insert the car into PowerPoint, then duplicate it. Now let's cut out the wheel. Simply insert a circle, increase its transparency a little so it's easier to position. Resize the circle to match the wheel. Select the car first, then the circle. Go to Merge Shapes and choose Intersect, and the wheel will be cut out. Then place the wheel back on top of the car. Move everything to the left side of the slide. Change the background to a light yellow color, insert a rectangle, then insert a triangle. Select the rectangle first, then the triangle. Go to Merge Shapes and choose Fragment. Delete the unwanted pieces and you'll see the shape has been split apart. Next, add the Rolls-Royce logo. Add your text and move it to the left side. Duplicate the slide. Move the shape on the right a little farther right. Move the shape on the left a little farther left. Move the text slightly to the right. Move the car and wheels slightly to the right. Rotate the wheels a little, then apply the morph transition to the second slide. Now the basic effect is complete, but you'll notice the layering around the front of the car doesn't look right. Select all the elements on the left side and bring to front. Go back to the first slide, select all the elements on the left side again and bring to front there as well. Now play the slideshow again and the effect looks much better. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.